Welcome to Tuesday's Thought for the Day. If you haven't already read today's Bible passages, you may find it useful to at least read Judges 4 now. The story of Deborah and Barak is classic. Barak is low on confidence and heavily relies on Deborah to lead in an age when it's not a normal role for women. Deborah is a prophetess. She spent time listening to God and passing on his word, sometimes in ecstatic ways. And this may well be where her strength lay. In a book of very fallible leaders, she is actually one of the high points. And it's interesting that the other biblical high point during this period of history centers on another woman, Ruth. Though there are markedly fewer women mentioned in the Bible than there are men, the contribution they make is every bit as profound, and the devotion of their hearts is deep and strong. 1200 years later, Jesus had a special ministry to women who were disregarded and just as vulnerable in his day. This woman was in a mess, bent, crippled, just existing. Jesus recognizes the spiritual battle going on in her life and sets her free, much to the insensitive disgust of the religious elite. Their adherence to the minutiae of Sabbath regulation had closed their eyes to her humanity. But they're floored by Jesus' incontrovertible argument that the Sabbath is the one day that is ideal for doing good things. A prayer. Father, help me to see all people through your eyes and to love them with your heart. Amen. Great is the Lord, and most worthy of praise.